In today's video, I will show you how to turn on developer option on your phone. Developer option has a lot of amazing feature that you can use to customize and advance your Android experience. To do that, open up your Mi Settings app and scroll down. Right now, my developer option is turned on. I'm going to turn it off and we're going to activate it together. Alright, now it's off, right? Now what you have to do in your phone settings, you have to tap on About Phone. Once you are there, tap on Software Information and you're going to select Build Number. You're going to tap on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're going to enter your device password, right? Once you've done that, tap on Next. Developer mode has been turned on, right? We're going to tap back again, and it's already on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.